Dependent and independent lamps, what are they? Dependent lamps are actually wired internally inside of the switch. This one has no lamps, okay? This switch is actually a 7-pin. It has one terminal on top that's a ground, still has 2 lamps on the front, but the lamps are dependent, meaning that they're internally wired in the switch. You don't have to provide anything else, but the ground needs to be wired, and then this switch will light up in the on and the off positions with dependent lamps. These 2 switches here have independent lamps. So they've got terminals on the outside of the switch. They've got a ground. Ground's always in the top right position of the switch. So you've got 2 grounds here, and then you've got power for your lamps on the other side. Those have to be powered up to make the independent lamps work. They're not wired internally like the dependent lamp switches. The independent lamps are going to be used normally as a label backlight. So it's independent of the function of the switch and can be powered by another switch, typically a nav anchor switch. So you would have power coming from the output of your nav switch, for instance, to the power input for the independent lamp to make it work. On a dependent lamp, remember, the only thing you have to do is wire the ground, and it's going to light up when you flip the switch back and forward. It's going to make those lamps light up depending on which position you're in. That's all you have to do with a dependent lamp. So hopefully that explains the difference between the independent and the dependent lamps.